We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. We both sorry for who. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you find the one you've been looking.
Chicky.